Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about in English grammar since and for, difference between since and for, when we use since, when we use for. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Now first started with since. Starting point of action. Since used in starting point of action. Since Monday, since 10 o'clock, since 26th February, since March, since 1996, since Wednesday, since 12:30, since Christmas, since I was then year old, since we arrived. For instance, I have been teaching English since 2017. It has been raining since I come. This next for. For used in period of length. For 3 days, for an hour, for a week, for a month, for 5 years, for 10 minutes, for 2 hours, for 4 weeks, for 6 months, for a long time. For instance, first one, he has been ill for a long time. Second one, I have been waiting for 2 hours. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.